Hey everyone! It's your girl, Cosmic's Wonderland, and I legit feel like it's been a severe hot minute since I uploaded a makeup video, so if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then stay tuned because here we go. Now we are going to go ahead and use this pore filler as a primer. Get your eyelids, your eyebrows, your nose. Time for the eyebrows, my favorite part, and I love this eyebrow pencil so much. So the eyebrows are on, and the next step is called carving out your brows. So that's what we're gonna do with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. To me, it is all about the shading and the gradients of your inner brow, so I like to fade them out using my concealer, and here is how I do it. I'm going to use my concealer to cover up any acne at this point. This is one of my favorite highlighting palettes just because of its range of bold, bright, holographic colors, and I'll be using this neutral eyeshadow palette here. We are going with the Cinderella Blue, that's what I call it, the Cinderella Blue highlight for the inner tear ducts and also the brow arches. I am using the neutral shade Shimmer to try and get some shimmer on my eyelids. And then we're going to use the darker shades in this palette to smoke out the outer corners of your eye. The next step is my blue Sephora eyeshadow, which I'll be using as bottom liner to smoke out my cat eye. Liquid eyeliner is the way to go, especially when you are covering up any boo-boos from putting on your lashes. Trust me, the glue might get a little messy. I love liquid eyeliner because it allows me to put the cat eye on and then also touch it back up. Super easy, whereas a pencil's kind of hard, girls. This time I'm using the Ardell Wispies and my Duo black glue to put these lashes on, and here is how I do it. I like to start at the outer corners. I used to do the inner corners and work out, but I've changed my technique. I've reversed it since then. I think this works better, and I like using tweezers. It helps me get super close to the lash line. Never use liquid eyeliner on your waterline. Always go for pencil eyeliner. Trust me. It will be a disaster. Just trust me. Please, please. Only pencil. The eyes are done, and so are the brows and everything else, so we're moving on to my flawless skin routine. This new beauty product here is a silicone and kind of like a sponge applicator all in one. I actually did a review on this product, so if you haven't seen the YouTube video of me reviewing this new beauty tool, I will leave the link down in the description box down below so you can go and check it out. I bought mine at Walmart, and they're only like $6. You get two. Oh my gosh, these are amazing for blending. I start with the silicone side and then I move to the sponge. We just did the foundation, and now we're gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to do the highlighting portion. Blend it out, buff it until you look normal. So now that I have done the highlighting, I need to go back in and legit put the highlight back in the inner corners. I know it sounds weird when you say I highlighted, you know, highlight and contour your skin. And then there's also highlight, which is what we're putting on the eyes. Now we are going to bake our face. What this does is it locks in your body heat and your makeup in one between each other, locking them in, sealing it in, setting it, and keeping you locked up all day. You want that makeup to stay on. You don't want it to fall off, smudge off, wear off. So trust me, do this. I don't put the baby powder on my eyebrows. I do setting powder translucent for that, otherwise it just looks weird. But set up your face and then get ready to contour. By the time you're done contouring, it should be about 5 minutes. I set my face with the baby powder for 5 minutes. At this time, I'm going to pick up my brush away brush, I don't know what to call it, and dust all of this off. For the eyebrows, I'm going to be using a different brush. I find that it works better. Using the Revolution highlighting palette, we're going to go back in with the Cinderella Blue to highlight our cheeks, our upper lip, and our nose. And yes, I do notice I didn't get all the powder off. You can see it on my eyeshadow, but I will get to that, I promise. I am going to be using the Define a Lash mascara. It's waterproof and that's why I like it. I'm not picky about brands. It just has to be waterproof in my opinion. I won't wear any other type of mascara. Use the NYX setting spray that we began with and finish your face with it. My lip gloss is poppin', my lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep stopping, they chase me after school. Mac. No, I'm just kidding. For everyone who thinks my gap is adorable, thank you so much for all of the positivity. I love my gap. If you want to hear the story behind why I have a gap, I did a video on that and I'll leave the link down below too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!